All right, folks, so yesterday I posted a video that looks just like this.
Check this out. I told you guys
about how I bought all these books in order to learn about Arkansas camping. And I used that to show you that basically I know what I'm talking about, but I only use the book. So now I want to show you what's on the internet and why this map needs to exist. Okay, first of all, the best place to find resources on the internet for camping in Arkansas is the Arkansas State Parks website. It's really, really good. It's really well made. And let's see here, camping. So there's lots of stuff on here and it's really fantastic. You can book online. You can see all kinds of pictures and info about the park, including, cabins, lodges, and whatever. But of course, this only has Arkansas State Parks info on it. And there's only 32 state parks that have actual camping, okay? So it's a good resource, not comprehensive, okay? If you want to see the rest of the parks, the second best place to go is recreation.gov. It's not a bad resource. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. As you can see, they do have a map here, but the map only covers Corps of Engineers sites, and there's some other stuff on there, but it doesn't have the state parks. So you got the state parks website and you got the recreation.gov site, and those are okay, but it doesn't have everything like national parks. So let's look at that. You got to go over to nps.gov and search Arkansas. And right now I'm looking at the Buffalo National River section of the website, because that is one place in Arkansas with national park camping. So there's good stuff here. It's it's good info. There's details. Some have pictures, some don't. It's basically just text based. You are going to find the GPS coordinates there, and some of the info. And I did use this website to research for my map. The problem is there's no map on this. It's just data. So unless you know what you're looking at, who knows where Woolham is? And it's just not that helpful. I mean, it's something, but it's not everything. Okay. So another place you can look is arkansas.com. And that's different from the state parks website. And it has this list of campgrounds, but it's full of all this other nonsense like JB Trading. That's not a campground. Turpentine Creek Wildlife Refuge. That's not a campground. That is how you pronounce it. I've been there. It's cool. You should check it out. It's near Eureka Springs. So there's a lot of stuff you just kind of have to wade through, that's not really camping. They've got privately owned campgrounds. They got public. There's just different stuff that, I don't know. You got to wade through a lot of stuff, okay? Here's the really frustrating thing that kind of drove me crazy. If you just go to Google Maps and search camping in Arkansas or Arkansas camping, this is what you get in terms of the map. It's clearly not everything, and it's got all kinds of nonsense on it. Like, for example, I just found it a second ago. Oh yeah, look at this. The Downtown Riverside RV Park. That's not a campground, okay? That's a parking lot. If you live in Little Rock, you've seen this a million times. It's right there across the bridge from the Clinton Library. But that's not camping. That's a parking lot, okay? So what I did is I went through and I compiled all the data that I found online in these books. I waded through all the nonsense that's incorrect and or just missing or incomplete, and I compiled it all into this huge spreadsheet. Which, you know what? Let me show you the spreadsheet real quick. Okay. So this is kind of where I put together all the info that I have. Okay, it's whatever. It took me a long time. Okay, compiled all that data and researched, called all the places, verified all this stuff, and then I put together the actual product, which is the first ever complete guide to all Arkansas state and federal campgrounds in the form of a big, beautiful fold-out map. Get yours now. So if you go to it's camparkansas.co, you will arrive at this website. You click right here, and you can see these beautiful pictures that I took of the map itself. And you can go over here and click quantity and go ahead and click it up to however many you need, purchase, and you can buy it right there. And they're going to be available, or they're going to go out shipping on March 30th. So, 3 weeks, something like that from today. And you will have the result of all my hard work over 3 years, putting together all this stuff, simply to provide you with this right here, the first ever complete comprehensive guide to all state and federal campgrounds in Arkansas. Now, you may be asking yourself, why is it only state and federal? And I'll tell you why. Because there are other smaller campgrounds managed by local municipalities, such as cities and counties, that it's honestly almost impossible to find info on online because they don't have websites and stuff. But the next issue of the map is going to have that stuff in there, and it's also going to include a selection of privately owned campgrounds that are really cool, that I think meet my criteria for what would be a cool campground. In other words, not a parking lot. So keep an eye out for that next year. But until then, buy this bad boy at camparkansas.co. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. Goodbye.